Hello everyone. I think micro was very, very direct. I don't know about other subjects. People are saying exam was moderate to difficult, but I believe for micro, everything was from the notes. I don't think anything came out from it. So you must have answered everything from micro. So in the first question, what I was able to gather, there are around 14 to 15 questions related to micro. So the first question was for like a farmer working in the rice fields, and he had conjunctival suffusion. So we all know, and multiple time conjunctival suffusion is the buzzword, and also had icterus, and you had to name the disease that is causing such symptoms, and we all know that this is caused by leptospira, right? It is caused by leptospira, and the name of the disease is called as the Weil's disease, which is the hemorrhagic hemorrhagic fever that we get in leptospira. So I got this question, I mean this option, but I did not get the other option. So can you very quickly help me with the other options as well? So rice field, icterus, conjunctival suffusion, definitely it's Weil's disease. But what were the other options that were given here? Can anybody help me? What phase of the disease was asked and not the disease? Okay, so what phase? But people were telling me Weil's disease was given in the options. So what phase of the disease? Okay, so Weil's disease was not in the option. It was one of the parts in the question only. Very quickly, guys, please help me. Okay, icteric phase liver. Okay, so they had given this icteric phase. And liver. Phase was asked. Okay, got it. Fine. I'm going to move on to the next one. A patient presented with Burkitt lymphoma, and then Pond-Bunel test was performed to confirm the organism. For which organism is the test done? I believe this is what was given. And the answer is going to be obviously Epstein-Barr virus, right? Epstein-Barr virus was there. Leptospirosis was given. Okay. Leptospirosis तो mild वाला होता है. It is not the Weil's disease. Wheel-Felix reaction. Okay, Wheel-Felix was given to confuse you guys with the Weil's disease. That's great. Okay, got it. ठीक है. On convalescent phase was also given. ठीक है. So this was Epstein-Barr virus. Everybody got this correct. Great. I'm going to move on. If you can help me with the other options, please do tell me. Rickettsia provozaki and Epstein-Barr virus is what I got. Did not get the last two options. If you're able to help me. Icteric convalescent. Okay, great. Icteric convalescent. Okay, great. Moving on to the next one. What process does this organism in the image perform? So very, very easily, I don't know if this is the exact image, but this is what is a bacteriophage, right? And I always told them that this dancing person is what? It does the transduction, right? So answer was option B, which was your transduction. Acha, CMV was given. ठीक है. CMV was also given. ठीक है, so this was going to be your transduction, which is the bacteriophage. Moving on to the next one, X and V factor in the media is used to grow which of the following organisms? So we all know that this X and V factor is required for this one person, which is your Haemophilus influenza, because it requires both these factors. Either they can get it in the chocolate agar or they have the selective medias for it, right? So I think these were, I am not sure if these are the exact options, but Haemophilus though is the answer for it, right? Simple, moving forward. ठीक है. Truck driver presented with single painless ulcer on the penis and around the corners of the mouth. Please help me with this. Influenza was also there in the option. तो हाँ, hemophilus influenza. Okay, so there was just influenza also there. ठीक है, तो they had tried to confuse you a lot with like, similar sounding options, but ठीक है, that is not the answer. Okay, so truck driver with painless ulcer on the penile area and around the corners of the mouth. What is the name of the disease causing this? Is this the question? Is this the question? So, and syphilis was the answer, but did they ask you the organism or did they ask you the disease? Okay, even if it was a she, Ducry was also given. Okay. Wasn't Ducry like a separate question, guys? ठीक है, primary syphilis. So did they talk about the secondary syphilis around also? Around the lips था, ठीक है. Mouth नहीं है, lips है, got it. Primary syphilis हो गया, ठीक है. Then herpes, hemophilus ducrei. Did they give secondary syphilis and all also? ऐसा करके कुछ था and candida दिया हुआ था, ठीक है. चलो, तो we know that syphilis is the answer. Simple. Patient presented with a painful genital ulcer. There was another question, genital ulcer and undermined edges. Was undermined edges given? Primary syphilis, secondary syphilis भी था ऑप्शन में. Okay. Secondary syphilis भी था ऑप्शन में. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, some people are saying नहीं सिर्फ primary दिया हुआ था. Okay, anyway, guys, I'm going to move forward. I'll I will come back to it. Patient with genital ulcer, painful, undermined edges दिया था कि नहीं? And what is the name of the organism? Because painful ulcer can go two ways. It can either be herpes and Haemophilus ducreyi. Now people are telling me कि मैम आंसर तो Haemophilus ducreyi था, but please tell me what was the other things? Painful lymphadenopathy भी था, okay, but painful lymphadenopathy again, guys, is seen in both. Did they give multiple? Did they say something else regarding it to make it like maybe undermined edges, maybe vesicle fluid fill, painful ulcer and lymphadenopathy? कुछ नहीं था. HSV था ऑप्शन में. HSV था ऑप्शन में. Multiple was given. Okay. Multiple is still. फोटो भी दिया था. Okay, if there was a photo, then तो the disease is done. HSV नहीं था. चलो, if HSV was not there, then definitely we have come to the answer of Haemophilus ducreyi. Got it. Photo I'll see. I'll check for the photo. Chancroid was in the option. ठीक है. एक ही बात है. Got it. HSV नहीं था तो बात खत्म. It's the Haemophilus ducreyi or chancroid. ठीक है. Patient presents with fast moving serpentinous rashes on the body. What is the organism? Please tell me if it is the or did they ask the organism or did they ask what is like were they asking larva currents? Were they asking larva currents or were they asking the organism? Okay, image was given in this also serpentinous वाली, that is fine. Klebsiella था ऑप्शन में. Klebsiella granulomatous होगा, ठीक है. Donovanosis, that is fine. Please is organism. So strongyloid circularis तो organism हो गया. But what are the other options in this? Ankylosoma braziliensis. Okay, that is causing cutaneous larva migrants, not larva currents. This is larva currents, right? ये currents है because they are saying fast moving. Fast moving is like, remember मैंने कहा था current की तरह it will go, so that has to be strongyloids. Braziliensis is causes cutaneous larva migrants, but it is very slow. Photo of the organism. इसमें भी photo था क्या, guys? Ankylosoma हो गया. Tell me, please try to tell me the तीन new names थे. चलो छोड़ो. I'll try to figure that out. Okay. The reduced use of this led to the decrease of which parasite? Although this is something that might be taken up in PSN, but this reduced use of these step wells. These are called as step wells. Right? People used to walk inside these wells. इसके अंदर जाके they used to collect water, and there was one worm that used to kind of come out when you ever stepped into this well, and that was your guinea worm. Right? We have already eradicated, rather eliminated and eradicated it. Dracunculus is the name, and the other name for it is guinea worm. नो सिस्ट नो ओवा ओनली लार्वा प्रेजेंट, ये लिखा था. नो सिस्ट नो ओवा ओनली लार्वा. ये तो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रोंगिलाइड्स ओनली देन, गाइस. Guinea worm का other name is Dracunculus, which is what is we have eliminated and eradicated because of the step wells that were kind of stopped. Okay. ये बहुत weird था. This was weird for me because they were saying that मैम wool sorter का history था, but also they had given black scar, which they are pointing towards escar. So usually तो ये cutaneous anthrax होना चाहिए, wool sorter में नहीं होना चाहिए था. Hide porters में it should have been for me, but anyway. Wool sorter with black escar on the arm. What is the organism responsible for this? If this was the question, then obviously it is going to be Bacillus anthracis, which is causing this escar kind of a thing, and obviously it also causes the wool sorter's disease. Okay, no wool sorter, guys. ये थोड़ा confusing है. That is why I am, having a question on this because wool sorter में तो pulmonary anthrax should have been there. So this was not there. Fine. I think somebody was confused. Rickettsia नहीं था option में. Somebody told me Rickettsia typhi was in the option. Escar tha which sheep wool? Okay, so there was somebody must have been carrying the sheep wool, which then got an escar. Okay, so it was sheep wool carrying wala people. So that is again Hyde Porter's disease also. Photo was also there. Okay, escar ka image bhi tha. A lot of image-based questions then, guys. Wool sorter was there. Wool sorter who must be carrying the sheep का wool, ऐसा type का कुछ होगा. ठीक है. Wool sorter with carrying sheep wool must have gotten this cutaneous escar. Got it. So Bacillus anthracis, but guys, please tell me the other options also. Only scar था. ठीक है. Black scar नहीं था. Only scar था. That is also okay. Scrub typhus. ठीक है. Scrub typhus was there. Rickettsia typhi was not there. Scrub typhus was there. Please help me with the other options also. ओके नहीं था वूल सॉर्टर, कोई बात नहीं. एलिमिनेट द वूल सॉर्टर. प्लीज टेल मी अदर ऑप्शंस. एंथ्रैक्स था डिस्क्रिप्शन में. एंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय डिस्क्रिप्शन में? डिड दे गिव बैम्बू स्टिक अपीयरेंस और समथिंग? फोटो ऑफ द हैंड. ठीक है. हैंड में स्कार था. दैट इज फाइन. डिड दे गिव like a bamboo stick appearance, that was not there. छोड़ो फिर, ठीक है, but the answer is bacillus anthracis. Moving on, HIV patient had history of curdy white vaginal discharge, narrow budding yeast cells with pseudo hyphae, organism responsible, we all know it is Candida albicans, right? टेपरिंग एंड वाला वर्म था। टेपरिंग एंड वाला वर्म कहाँ था गाइस, ये वाला? तो आई डोंट नो टेपरिंग, टेपरिंग एंड worm. This though I don't know what you're talking about. I'll think about it. Okay, so this was what? Candida, yes. So even if somebody said, ma'am, cyst का कुछ पता नहीं, budding का 4 to 6 micrometer का size भी दिया था, I'm not sure. But the moment you hear the word pseudohypha, it has to be Candida albicans, right? No other. KOH माउंट का शो करेगा, ठीक है, हाँ, so वही माइक्रोस्कोपी में या KOH माउंट बोल दो, it's the same. Esophageal constriction, गाइस ये ईसोफेजियल कंस्ट्रिक्शन कहाँ से आ रहा है? मैम, वन ऑपोजिट क्वेश्चन ऑफ कैंडिडा। कैंडिडा वाज डिस्क्रिप्शन वाज इन द ऑप्शंस, नाउ यू आर सेइंग, तो फिर क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था? कर्डी वाइट डिस्चार्ज वाज गिवन एंड budding cyst was asked. Okay, so this was not candida. They had given budding yeast with pseudo hyphae here, I think. That is what you're trying to say, na? Okay. 4 to 6 micrometer tapering end wala. 4 to 6 micrometer. Okay. This I have to see what are they trying to say. 4 to 6 वाला हिस्टोप्लाज्मा, दिस somebody said कि ये हिस्टोप्लाज्मा नहीं था, दिस was something else. Guys, पता नहीं, बताना. Different question, I'll try to find it out. Okay. Immunocompromised patient presented with unilateral painful black necrotic scar on the right face. What will be the ideal treatment of this disease? Tapeworm whose tail is sharp and head too. ये तो अलग ही कुछ आ गया. Tapeworm with sharp tail and face. Okay. Weird. Moving forward then, हाँ, इसमें था black necrotic scar on the right face, unilateral painful. This was obviously your mucormycosis, and I had said multiple times that you always have to give antifungals and surgical resection has to be the thing. So antifungals with surgical resection. Narrow based budding था हिस्टोप्लाज्मा वाले में, ठीक है, so you are saying this was a separate question, ठीक है, got it, but आ गया ना हिस्टोप्लाज्मा आंसर, so that is good. ठीक है. Moving forward, foreigner had came to the OPD with complaints of rice water stools after eating some street food. Then which toxin is responsible for this disease? The moment you hear the word rice water stools, obviously answer has to be the cholera toxin. है ना, ये तो बिल्कुल simple. Oil fried colony भी था, हाँ, I'm coming to that. ठीक है, so this is cholera toxin. ये identify the organism that shows these colonies on the image. This was the PPLO agar, right? This question was not there at all. This question was not there. Cholera toxin. Somebody told me rice water stool wala question tha in a foreigner who had diarrhea and gave the history of rice water stool. Heat labile toxin of E. coli. ठीक है, E. coli toxin हो गया. Cholera था, तो cholera toxin हो गया है. तो ये question. Why somebody saying मैम ये question नहीं था? Okay, there is a lot of confusion. Some people are saying मैम it was there. Some are saying it's not there. ठीक है, ओके ओके, गॉट इट. पीपीएलओ अगार हो गया, ये फ्राइडे कॉलोनीज हो गई, राइट? फ्राइडे कॉलोनीज ऑन पीपीएलओ अगार, एंड दिस वाज ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू बी ऑन माइकोप्लाज्मा. ठीक है, इट वाज माइकोप्लाज्मा. ओके ओके, था नहीं था, इट्स फाइन गाइस, अब तो हो गया, छोड़ो, आगे बढ़ो. प्लीज, ये माइसेटोमा, तमिलनाडु पेशेंट प्रेजेंट्स विद मल्टीपल ड्रेनिंग साइनसेस, नॉट ट्रेनिंग, ड्रेनिंग साइनसेस आफ्टर थॉर्नप्रिक. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ थॉर्नप्रिक का हिस्ट्री था कि नहीं. ठीक है, स्ट्रॉन्गलर्स के साथ एंकाइलोस्टोमा, ठीक है. व्हाट इज द ट्रीटमेंट चॉइस ऑफ द डिजीज? सर्जिकल रिसेक्शन गाइस, एम्पुटेट थोड़ी कर देंगे सीधा माइसेटोमा में. इट हैज टू बी सर्जिकल रिसेक्शन फर्स्ट, उसके बाद नहीं हो रहा तो एम्पुटेशन है, बट प्लीज इट हैज टू बी सर्जिकल रिसेक्शन. पीपीएलओ फ्राइडे क्वेश्चन ये हो गया. कंटैमिनेटेड कैंड फूड था गाइस, इफ इट वाज कंटैमिनेटेड कैंड फूड देन तो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा क्वेश्चनेबल हो जाता है। कैंड फूड का तो फिर वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द बोtulinum टॉक्सिन, बट राइस वाटर स्टूल था तो इट हैज टू बी कॉलेरा। चलो एनीवे, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माइकोप्लाज्मा। देन सर्जिकल डिसेक्शन इज द आंसर हियर, एम्पुटेशन इज नॉट द आंसर। सर्जिकल डिब्राइडमेंट होगा, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग, राइट? दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड। एंटीफंगल विद रिसेक्शन, ओके, yes, then that would be the answer. If this was given, then this would be the answer. Because you have to give antifungals with resection. Canned food था तो botulinum वाला, hyphae was there in biopsy. इसमें hyphae थे, इसमें hyphae दिख रहे थे। Antifungal plus surgery, हाँ तो वही surgical dissection is the answer. Strongyloids के साथ ankylostoma, guys, वो मैंने लिख दिया ना। Okay, so this is it from my side. I think there were around 14 questions that I could gather, and now I'm having few more like, histoplasma and all. I'll kind of combine them. And thank you from my side.